Okay, this is going to show you how to install Conda on, in this case, a Mac. It's very similar on Linux, and we'll have another demonstration for Windows. So the simple thing to do is let's first go to the SEAMM website, the SEAMM website, and over here we can click on installing SEAMM, and it's giving us instructions of how to do this. If you read through, what we need to do is head over to miniconda and get a version for Mac OS. Since it's Mac OS, I'm going to get the graphical installer, so I'm going to click on that and allow it to download. And it's going to be straightforward to install, so I'm going to go back here and then just see when my download happens. It's already done apparently, so come down here and click on the package. You couldn't see that, but here comes the installer. It's going to guide me through it. I can look through the README. I've already done this. I've looked at the license before, so I'm going to accept that. I'm going to install for me only. That's fine. So I'm going to continue that and let it go ahead and do the installation. I will move the installer to the trash because I don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to come over into a terminal, and I probably need to create another terminal, so because whatever was installed won't have affected my startup. So let's see if this works. Let's see if we can see anything in here. So with Conda, if we want to know about the environments that have been installed, we do that. Okay, so we have installed an environment, a base environment for Conda. That's all we need.